Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here, so hit that subscribe button right now. So today's video is going to be about three major things. The first one is we're going to be talking about the withdrawal deadline extension by the Bitget wallet team. Alright, there's a deadline extension and we're going to be talking about when this is going to end. This was projected to end on the 30th of April, but there's a deadline extension right now. So next we're going to be talking about how to withdraw your BWB points airdrop wallet, and for the last we're going to be talking about how to access or view your tokens. All right, because if you withdraw these tokens you need to see them. So we're going to be talking about the withdrawal extension. Next we're going to be talking about withdrawal itself and how to carry out the process, and thirdly we're going to be talking about how to view or access your token. So this is the update I want to bring to you today. So first and foremost, we're going to be clicking on this very update you see right on our screen right now. So an update was just released and we have to read that update to know what the Satoshi team and the Bitget team have in stock for us. As you can see right here, it says awaiting your BWB points airdrop. Check your balance directly within this Bitget wallet with our simple guide. Alright, this guide is not compulsory, but you can read it so that you even get more updated. I'm already going to show you what to do in this very video, but if you do read it, it's highly advisable. Now stay tuned as Bitget wallet reviews the conversion rate of BWB points to BWB, providing clarity on your rewards. Right now, these points you're going to be receiving into your Bitget wallet is going to be converted to BWB, but first we need to stay tuned. We need to carry out this process first. Now please note that it might take few days for BWB points to show up in your wallet after they are issued. Okay, so in response to initial challenge with the OTP and facial recognition, we have extended the wallet address submission deadline by May 10th 2024. Okay, so you have about 8 days from the time of creating this video. I don't really know when you're watching this right now, right? But you have at least a week to hop into this. Okay, now seize the opportunity, ensure your wallet address is submitted before the deadline. Now I just have to say something I didn't say in the beginning of this video. This update is actually for those who were able to get into the BWB points airdrop, because it was not all of us that were able to get into it, because this airdrop was allocated to the first 22,000 people who to hop into it. Okay, so we're going to be heading over to step 2, which is how to withdraw your BWB points. All right, how to link your withdrawal address. And to do that, you just have to click on this wallet icon right here. Once you do that, scroll down right here and click on BWB. Now the moment you click on BWB, you're going to see a button, an orange button that says link withdrawal address. Now you can see frozen in mine right here, and that's because I've actually linked my withdrawal address. Okay, so once you click that link withdrawal address, you're going to be asked to fix in two things. You're going to see two bars. You'll be asked to fix in two things. Now the first one is saying you have to link your withdrawal address, while the second is saying you have to fill in your asset password. Okay, now a lot of people have been asking, how do I go about filling the asset password, Satoshi app asset password? How do I do that? How do I make sure that I don't make mistakes, stuff like that? It's actually simple. For you to get your asset password, just head back right now. Go ahead and click on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Click personal settings, then click asset password. Now the moment you click asset password, if you're doing this for the first time, you'll be asked to put in a new password, type this password again, and then click on confirm. The moment you click on confirm, you'll be asked to verify your email, your Satoshi app email. After verifying, you will do some facial verification, and that's it. Your asset password would be created. Now if you are already a Satoshi miner who misplaced your asset password by mistake, all you have to do is come over here and click on forget asset password, and you just have to fix in your asset password, do the email verification and face verification, and you're good to go. Then you'll be able to use the new asset password you have just created in the Satoshi app. So let's head back right now. So the only thing left now is for you to get your withdrawal address. All right, your withdrawal address. And how do you get that? It's simple. So what we have to do is to download Bitget wallet from Google Play Store, and all you have to do is to click on the Google Play Store icon in your phone. All right, I'm going to drop a link that would cover both for iOS users, which is iPhone users, and that of Android users. All right, so you don't go ahead downloading the Bitget wallet from scammy links. Right, so let me just head back right now, and what you're meant to do is to click the search bar right there and type in the keyword Bitget wallet. Now the moment you type that and search, what you're going to see is this, which says Bitget wallet Bitkeep upgrade. Okay, this is the wallet you're meant to download. Any other one is a counterfeit or scam. Okay, so in your case, if you're doing this for the first time, if you don't have Bitget wallet, you're going to see install right here. You're seeing open in mine, and that's because I already have these wallets. I've already installed these very wallets. But in your case, you're going to see install, simply click the install and to begin to install. The moment it's done installing or downloading, then you go ahead and click open. So once you're done downloading, simply click on open and you're going to see this very picture display right now, and then you read this up for yourself. But the main thing you're meant to do right here is to click on create wallet. All right, if you already have an existing wallet, then you can go ahead and import your wallet with your seed phrase. But we're going to be clicking on create wallet because we're doing this for the first time. And the moment you click on create wallet, you'll be asked to accept the terms of service, and you go ahead and click on I agree. Now there are two options right here. Which type of wallet do you want to create? Do you want to create with Mnemonic phrase or the keyless wallet? I'm going to be using Mnemonic phrase because that is more secure. I don't want someone to have access to my data. Okay, so once you click on Mnemonic phrase right now, it's going to lead us to the next page, which will ask us to set our pin code. Right, this is the pin code you'll be using to approve transactions and to log into your account. So I'm just going to set in that pin code right now. Now the moment you do that, it's going to start fetching and encrypting your data. After encrypting your data, it's going to say wallet successfully created. So this wallet has been successfully created. You just have to click on the black got it button, and the moment you click on that, all you have to do right now is click on all mainnet. All right, that's what you're meant to click on. You're meant to click on all mainnet. You're meant to select core network. All right, these are main networks. Okay, that's why they call mainnet. These are main network, and the network you're going to be selecting right now is core network. Right, so just type in core network in the search bar right there, click that, and this will begin to load up. And as you can see right now, it's now added successfully, and this wallet is now fully operating on core network. So if you notice, you have switched from the home to the wallet section. Now this is what you need to note. For you to link this address to the Satoshi app, you have to make sure it is operating on core network, and you have to copy your wallet address. So we're going to go ahead right now and copy our wallet address. Now the moment you copy our wallet address, then we head to the Satoshi app, click the wallet icon, then click BWB points, open that up, and then click link wallet address and paste in the wallet address we just copied right there. Go ahead and type in your asset password. I just taught you how to create one right now. Once you type in your asset password, go ahead and click on BWB link withdraw address, and as you can see, it says BWB link withdraw address. Do you want to confirm? Just go ahead and click on confirm. The moment you click on confirm, you see this email prompt that will just pop up and ask you to go to your Satoshi app registered email to verify your account or approve the linking. All right, so just go over to your email right now, copy the code that has been sent to you, and paste it in here. Note that this code would last for only 1 minute. So if you can't achieve this in a minute, you just have to click the resend button and a new code will be sent to you. So once you copy that code, just paste it in here and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you'll be asked to start the I'm not a robot verification. Click on that. Once you start that, you'll be asked to perform some certain tasks like positioning your face in the frame, turning your face slowly to the right, raising your head up, stuff like that. Okay, now this could sometimes pose as a big issue to a lot of us. If you happen to encounter this issue, do not worry. Here's what you have to do. So you just have to make sure your internet connection is strong, your signal has to be strong. Then whatever environment you're going to be taking or performing this facial verification doesn't need to be too bright or too dark. It has to be balanced, okay, and everything will go through smoothly. And to confirm that your withdrawal address was linked successfully, you're going to see this message which says withdrawal address link is successful. So this is a confirmation message. If you don't see this message, then you have to keep trying until you see this very message, because this is what will guarantee that you receive this very airdrop. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is backing up our wallet. Right here in the home screen of Bitget wallet, just click on that backup icon you see there. Now you'll be asked to back up your mnemonic phrase. You can read all this for yourself, and right here it says loss of phrase will result in asset loss, which is very true. That's what the bottom one said. The top one says obtaining the mnemonic phrase is equivalent to obtaining ownership over the assets, so keep it safe. Make sure you copy it down on a piece of paper and make sure you do not share it with anyone, because anyone that has access to this can do away with your funds. So what we're meant to do right now is to click on backup mnemonic phrase, and then the moment you do, you should be asked to enter your pin code. All right, and that's it. Your mnemonic phrase will be shown to you. I'm not going to reveal mine for security reasons, but yeah, that's how it works. Now you've learned about the withdrawal deadline extension. You've also learned about how to create your asset password. You've learned how to link your withdrawal address, and you've also learned how to even back up your Bitget wallet mnemonic phrase. All right, now let's learn the last one, which is how to view or access your airdrop. Okay, so to do that, all you have to do is to click on this button right here that says earning center. All right, so this is your wallet right now. So once you click on earning center, you're going to see this withdraw button right here. Simply click on that. Now, the moment you click on this is going to load up and say create a reward account. For a better user experience, we'll launch the Bitget wallet reward account to allow users to enjoy more benefits brought by the Bitget wallet. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on activate now, right? Since you're doing this for the first time, so just click on activate now. And the moment you click on activate now, you'll be asked to fill in your PIN code. I showed you how to create your PIN code or right during the wallet creation process. It's really simple. Make sure you write your PIN code down same way you write your mnemonic phrase down. It's very important. Okay, so I'm going to fill in my PIN code right now, and this is going to load up and lead us to this very page which says reward account. And here is the explanation or definition of this reward account. As you can see, it says, what is a reward account? The reward account consolidates rewards you have earned through Bitget wallet events, including GASU, tokens, and other campaign incentives. All rewards are deposited here by default. You have the option to withdraw these funds to your personal wallet for transfers, purchases, or other transactions. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on OK. Now, if we are to receive our Bitget reward, we'll get to see it right here. And like the Satoshi team just said, we should keep an eye on updates so we'll be able to know when the BWB points will be converted to BWB. Okay, so this is the update I decided to bring to you today. I hope I was able to solve your problem. So this is how it works. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you did, don't be stingy with likes. Leave a like and I really appreciate it if you do. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section. If you feel this video will be beneficial or helpful to someone, share it so that they can also benefit from the knowledge I shared in this video. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to also you don't miss out whenever I drop updates like this. If you haven't joined our social media handle, make sure you do that so you stay even more updated. You can join our social handle using the link in the description of this video. If you haven't joined Satoshi BTC mining app, make sure you do that now because this app aims to be one of the top airdropping apps in the world. All right, it's not something you want to miss out on. We have mined about 3 tokens from this very app and one is still running and will be ending on the May 8th. All right, that very token is called OG token. So if you want to be part of this, hop on this now because more are yet to come. Let's go explore that crypto world together. I remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.